Got an RCA compact. This is the 12. So look at this little TV. It's going to be awesome. The model number's right here. AD120Y white. And we've got staples. So this is new old stock. Hopefully it's never been opened before. It doesn't seem like it. It's so hard to tell with this stuff, but you can normally get a pretty good idea. Wow, these staples are really in here. Look at that. There's even more. Oh my gosh. Back when they made really good packaging. It's kind of satisfying, actually. Like, more than just a little cut with a knife. Gotta really work for it. Back in, I think this one's from 1983. So, super old, new TV. This is one of my friends special ordered this. So, I'm gonna do an unboxing of it. Oh my gosh, the staple is so in there. Gotcha. Like ripping the box to get these staples out. Feels like it's been like glued shut. Yeah, I would say this is like, I don't know, I've never opened. I bet you guys are just cringing if you collect these boxes. I'm sorry guys, but it is super glued together. I can't preserve it. Look at that. We got the styrofoam, added little, I don't know if that's factory or not, guys. Just put something down in the comments if you think this isn't, or what do you guys think? Like, would that be the original packaging for this TV? I think it was, actually. Wow, so cool. Same thing on the bottom. Looks like it's been there forever to me. But there's the warranty. So I would say that this was actually opened up, taken really good care of, and put back in here. But there's the original tag. They've got all the instructions factory sealed here. I guess I'll go ahead and open these up too. See exactly what goes in here. And if you guys think that this is factory sealed, let me know. Like, did RCA actually put receipts like that? But I really doubt it. Safety points that you should know about with the RCA television. It's got cool little graphics of how not to plug it in. This side's great. Like, this is really funny. The person getting like electrocuted and the guy with the TV on his stomach. Like, what is he doing? Never place the TV near a radiator. That's great. Let's see what I got here. It didn't come with a filter to hook it up, so I'll have to make a separate video, guys, on that. This cord was wrapped really nicely, but I kind of doubt that that's how it would come factory. I don't know. Seems like how a lot of people wrap up their cords, but I normally see twisty ties. And on the back of the TV, it's model number AD120Y. I think that's the same as what the box said. It's always good to check that sort of thing when you're getting this sort of stuff. yeah, same exact model number. There we go. Let's see if it turns on. Right. Huh. It was in the on position actually. So it should have just turned on when I plugged it in. This screen's really dusty too. So we have a bright knob. There's a knob for turning up the brightness of the screen. Sometimes these things can take a while to warm up, but I'm having a feeling that this thing doesn't even work. It's so cool how this is actually from RCA as their warranty. It's almost like they were trying to return it and they couldn't. But, I mean, my lights are on behind me, so this power outlet is definitely good. And the way this box was glued up, it was more like a newer day glue. But those staples, I don't know. I feel like the box was professionally restapled up. Doesn't seem to be turning on at all. And the power outlet I have this plugged into is the same as my ring light also. So it's just not working, guys. You'd be hearing sound too, like static, because the on-off switch is yeah, see that click? That would be off. That would be on. And then you would normally be hearing just a really loud like noise from the static. Well, that's my unboxing of new old stock in 2021. Unfortunately, doesn't seem like it functions at all. He might have to do a return on it because he was planning on actually using it. You know what's funny is that it says important information regarding the use of TV games with it. That's what I was planning on using. I was going to use this to test it, the telegames. So this is a pretty funny little game console. This would have been perfect for it too, but unfortunately, it doesn't seem like it works at all. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like this video. It really helps me out.